I made you some tasty greens. Oh, food. Thank you, human, but I'm not hungry. Is rain? What are you doing? Are you okay? This wall is made of wool. Scritch, please. Me too, please. Danger. I hope your mom didn't vaccinate you. So when are you going to give us grandchildren? Time to put this through the paper shredder. Look outside. Oh wow. The world is ending. Sorry, human, but I must feed. Time out. Come look at these spooky owls. Nope. Heck. Oh, it mine. Thank. Simple guacamole recipe. You will need salt, ripe avocados, lemon, Henlo. This is my swing. Wee. Hey, stop that. Scritch, please. No hand. This is acceptable. Photo? Yes, stay still. Yems, okay. Trick or seed? Look, full-size millets. Blue boy. Must build nest. You need some preening. You're welcome. Ahem. Hi, human. Hi, I'd like to bring my bird in for a checkup. Okay, what's the bird's name? His name is Florida Man. Can you put it back? Do you like it? Wow, yeah I do. Let me just get rid of this. Hey everybody, look what I made. I can make my human do tricks. Watch. Human loves picking those up. For chicken? No, I'm sorry, these are just too salty for you. Not for chicken? 911, I'd like to report animal abuse. How my birds tell me I'm scritching wrong. Not there please. I say we nuke the entire site from orbit to be sure. Ah. This is the best time of the year. Human stays home to scratch me more. Human also puts out more perches. And makes some shredding toys just for me. Did that scare you? No. What if I sway like this? Look at me. These are mine now. Hello, I'd like to place an order. Hey there friend, think you have the wrong number. Okay, to large seed please, and popcorn. Who's that? Dunno, but they sound peckish. Want some soup? This is just trash. Dude, you can't eat this. Huh. I'm getting into the season this year. See, I'm a turkey. That's not a good idea. Why not? Oh yeah. Good morning. Oh my god, are you okay? Can you I'm trying to sleep. I love your little feet. They are so cute. You're weird, human. I love foot. You are accused of biting the human when he changed your water. Yes, I did it, but he touched water bowl. This bird is clearly innocent. Case dismissed. We can't believe you're 80. Got any wisdom for us? The bird in the mirror was you all along. Look, it's snowing. That's not snow. I'm so mad. Why are you mad? You need a reason? What is he doing? He found a pretty rock. He'll use it to impress a female. Animals are strange. As you're nuking, I decree that it is illegal to trim toenails. You must bring me as many seeds as I want, and there will be no more bedtime. Are you listening, human? Or, what a nice hat you have there. Human, I know we've never really hung out. Since I like the other human better. But now I'm thinking, what if we can be friends? You just want my food. Can I please have some? 3 ways to eat millet. 1. The toby. I'll save the rest for later. 2. The Zeus. It will grow into a beautiful millet tree. 3. The fin. Give please? Sorry, not for you. Does not compute. I take then. No, get off the pizza. Well, if you would share this wouldn't happen, would it? Snake. Oh millet, yos please. Human would never believe the snake I just saw. Panicked honking. What happened? Are you hurt? Is there an intruder? Oh, please don't chew on that. Ah. No, my toy. Tell us the story about daddy again. Well, when you were just an egg, a monster attacked. It was huge and very fast, with sharp teeth and red eyes. But your father scared it away. No birds past this point. Hey, are you going into the kitchen? No, just standing. He he he. That's it. Cage. Now. No cage. The Targaryens wed brothers and sisters for 300 years to keep bloodlines pure. Jane and I are more than brother and sister. We shared a womb. We came into this world together. We belong together. Reality. Censored. Birdies. Stop. Your brother and sister.